Embark on a culinary journey like no other as we dive into the captivating world of dim sum. In this immersive video experience, we'll guide you through the intricate art of creating an array of delicate and flavorful dim sum dishes. From the bustling streets of Hong Kong to the cozy tea houses of Guangzhou, dim sum is not just a meal, it's a cultural tradition, a communal experience, and a culinary art form. We'll start by delving into the history and significance of dim sum, tracing its origins back to the tea houses along the ancient Silk Road. Discover the symbolism behind each dish, as well as the rituals of sharing and enjoying dim sum with friends and family. As we enter the kitchen, you'll be introduced to the essential tools and ingredients used to craft these delectable bites. From the silky dumpling wrappers to the vibrant fillings, we'll break down the techniques for creating dumplings, buns, rolls, and more. Learn the secrets of achieving the perfect balance of flavors, textures, and aromas that define authentic dim sum. Get hands-on as we guide you step by step through the process of crafting a variety of dim sum favorites. Join us in meticulously folding and pleating dumplings, creating intricately designed buns, and mastering the art of the dim sum steamers. Learn how to make popular dishes like har gow, shrimp dumplings, char siu bao, barbecue pork buns, and shumai, pork and shrimp dumplings, from scratch, all while uncovering the cultural stories behind these culinary gems. To enhance your experience, we'll also provide insights into the etiquette of enjoying dim sum, including the proper ways to use chopsticks and the significance of the traditional tea service. As you follow along, you'll not only master the culinary techniques but also gain a deeper appreciation for the cultural heritage and social aspects that make dim sum so special. Join us in this immersive journey of taste, culture, and tradition. Whether you're a seasoned home cook looking to expand your culinary repertoire or a curious food lover eager to explore global flavors, this video will transport you to the heart of dim sum culture and empower you to recreate these exquisite delicacies in your own kitchen.